Hey guys, it's me Simone. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, been a while. Been some things. What was I going to say? I have a haul here, just one little item, and then we're gonna do some demonstrations for you guys. So I've been wanting another die cutting machine. I wanted a small one. I've been telling you guys this for a long time. Crafting sometimes, especially when you're on a tight budget, it's about convenience. And you need to be able to find things that can help you do your craft a little faster, so it doesn't take 30 hours to make something, but you're still enjoying the process. So you need balancing that. And today I wanted to find a balance for that for myself, because I love die cutting. Y'all know I die cut pretty much every project I show you here. I'm die cutting like no tomorrow. But sometimes you get a little lazy, and I like to have a die cutting machine on my desk I can easily reach for, grab it, cut, and do my thing, especially for smaller dies. And that's kind of where I jumped over to getting the Spellbinder Prism. I love that machine, but the problem I've been having with it is I can't easily find reasonable priced replacement plates. So you could technically just use these plates over and over again. They're different plates with different widths. They are different widths here. But these are different plates: your A plate, your cutting plate, your embossing plate, and then your silicone mat, which I like about this. I like that this came with all this. I think that's awesome. But the con is I've been having a hard time finding replacement plates. They're not uber expensive. The machine constantly goes down to $10 on Spellbinder's website during the sales and clearances they always do. So for me, paying $8-9 for a plate, I'm pretty sure it's just kind of high for me, a little high for me. So I don't know, I'd be cheaper off just buying the whole machine again at $10 and getting all those plates again. So that's been kind of my issue. And I did hear after I bought it, because y'all know I got mine from Hobby Lobby during the clearance, that people have been having issue with the handle since it's plastic, breaking, and it's constantly I'm a little scared about too. So yeah, all that being said, I decided I wanted to get a new machine. So I've been looking at the Diamond Press machine for a while, but I was like, nah, I ain't gonna bite the bullet. No, I'm not. And then they came out with the Marquise, which I liked. So the Marquise is basically like, what, 6 inches, right? Let's see. The Marquise has a, what's that, like almost 4 and like 5/8, like 4.5 or 4, yeah, about 4.5, give or take. Mouth opening, so it's good for A2 size cards. But this machine uses the folder system instead of the plate system. I already did a pre-cut in here because I had to try it out. So I did a cut in here. This is how it cut out. But I'll show you guys this for your convenience. We'll do a different die so I can actually fit it in here, because I don't want to cut out more paper, because I'm lazy on that front, and then I had washi tape around here. So what you do is put your paper in. It does not matter what orientation you do, actually. Okay. And then my washi tape. Okay. So you put your paper in, you put your die on top. Whatever design you want to cut out, you're going to put your folder in, and you're going to crank it through. And it cut out. You see it cut out really well. Good design. So that's it. You can get more folders for this machine, and you can do whatever. You see that it will cut into the plates. If you to keep these plates from bowing really badly, just flip them every once in a while. Flip them after every cut or so. Flip your plates so because they will start to bow. Like this one's already bowing, you see? It's only 2 cuts, so just make sure you flip your plates. Put it in this way, put it in this way, flip it here, flip it there when you're cutting, so you can kind of keep your plates going longer. But you can buy replacement plates. That's why I wanted a machine that still is getting products made for it, so I can actually keep using it, you know, and it's not basically dying. I don't say dying out, but yeah, dying out. So that's what I like and I wanted for this. And yes, you can emboss with the machine. So here's your embossing folder. You'll put your item in right like this, close it. Okay, I'm just gonna put the top down, put it in here, and then just start cranking this way. To show you guys so you can see. Sorry. Okay, and it embossed. Can y'all see that? Can I see the raisedness of it? I'm trying to get some ink color to use in this one. Alright, you see the raisedness, guys? I want to show you the raise. This is a little harder for you to see, so you can see the raise. Embossing that I did in here with that embossing. This is from AliExpress. Okay, gorgeous. Love it. Worked amazing. So that's that. It can emboss and it can die cut. Now, this one has a little silicone mat, so when you're die cutting, it does kind of suction to your desk. It's a glass top that I have here. Of course, it's not going to be able to do no steel roll die. I can tell you that right now. This is not made for steel roll dies. I'm gonna grab one of mine. Hold on. Is that in packaging? Yes, it is. Okay. This is steel roll dies, Tim Holtz alterations. I'm gonna show you. See that mouth? It ain't even wide enough to fit this. This thing is 6 inches. No. Even the smaller ones. No. That's not what this is. There's other things I think this can't do. I'm not sure. Can it cut in the boss? That's a good question. I think it might be able to. That's the thing I need to find. I might cut in boss. I've been struggling to find my embossing folders. I've been struggling, guys. I've been struggling so hard. Oh, look at this. I'm blind so fast. I put some down here. Okay. Alright. So this is a cut and emboss folder here I have. I have a few here. But this is only goes to 4 inches, so these will not fit. The smaller one will. Alright, so I'm gonna get some paper that y'all can see. Okay, I'll do this blue paper here. You see the design on there? So back down so y'all can see it, and then the white you see in the back is the cutting part. So we're gonna see. Can this I'm in the wrong way. So can it? Is it rolling through? It's not. I'm just trying to see. Will it do it? Nope. This cut and emboss is too thick. It won't run through. It won't run through. I just wanted to show you that. So this cannot cut and emboss, or can't use. These are spellbinders, cut and emboss. So I'm gonna show you. I don't want to break my machine, so I'm gonna be limited to what I'm showing you. So these are things to think about when you're thinking about getting this machine. I want y'all to know the facts. Okay. I do this. It's kind of intricate, right? Kind of. I'm going to flip it. Put my plate through. Okay. We'll see how this one turns out. This is kind of intricate. Okay. See how that, guys? Cut out really well. It literally fell out. You saw that? It fell out. I want to show you guys. It fell out. It cut really well. Look at it. It's not plate bowed. Now this is pretty thin plastic. You see how plate bowed. So all you need to do is flip that baby, put it in like this. Flip it again, put it in like this. You know, you're gonna keep flipping it because your plates are gonna fold. That's just a no-brainer. So yes, it can cut. It's pretty detailed. It can emboss. You know, it's gonna emboss with this baby. So these are things to know about this machine. It can't do cut and emboss. Or can't do these. I think they're too thick because the cutting in here. And it cannot do steel roll die. You know that already. So the price point is, I think it's 40. It was on sale for $40, which is not bad at all. I paid $60 for my big shot. So I paid $50 with taxes. With taxes I paid $60, but it was $50. But it's still not a bad price for this machine, especially if you have a small desk. Y'all know I recently just got my own craft room, but before that I crafted in my bedroom. And so having a small machine would have been great at the time. I wanted one. I wanted to get the Cuddle Bug when I first started getting into die cutting because it folded up, and this is a nice compromise. But you have to think of what you're die cutting, you know. That's a big thing you think about. But it's on HSN. I'll leave a link below for y'all so you can take advantage if a craft day comes back up. You can do 5 monthly installments, interest free for this. And then you can go on, I'll link below diamondpress.com for y'all, and you can see all the other accessories they have for this too. And they have dies that come out all the time for this machine. So I think it's a good machine to get your hands on, especially if you're on a budget and you need a little die cutting machine. This will stay on my desk. I want to use it because I'm gonna tell you, crafting is about convenience and what works for you. And sometimes it's a little inconvenient. Dropping things, drop plate on my foot, to bring out this big old Sizzix. You know, if I'm cutting out, you know, this die here, a little inconvenient. I'm just gonna be honest, a little inconvenient, a little tiresome. This thing heavy. This thing's really light comparatively. I mean, it still has a weight to it, but it's not. I feel it's not as heavy as the Sizzix is, or the Gemini. Oh, the Gemini is heavy. Ooh, that thing's heavy. Y'all know, if you have it, you know how heavy that thing is. So I like that. I'm gonna still use my machines, okay? I love my machines. They all have different purposes that I use them for, you know. So I use all my machines on the project by project basis. So I'm gonna say about that. I won't say every day. Different machines come, but it's just great too. If I'm doing which projects with y'all and I'm die cutting, it's easier to have this on my desk to show y'all than to have like the Sizzix. Or if I use my Gemini, it's on a Razzcog, so it's not even the picture, the frame. Or my little Platinum 6 from Spellbinders, which I love that. Oh, sorry, Platinum. It's not Platinum 6, it's Platinum, which is a big machine that cuts up the same dimension as my Gemini. But if you want me to do a video talking about my different die cutting machines, and I found more alternatives that can do like a crossover between my machines, which I wish I knew of before I got some of these machines, just saying, because it could have saved me one less machine. I found a machine that's like the Gemini, that's electric, but yeah, it's electric, and it cuts steel roll dies. Unlike the Gemini does not cut steel roll dies. You would need to get a Platinum from Spellbinders, or a Big Shot, or the I think the Vagabond from Tim Holtz does cut that. But with the Gemini, she says, you know, needs steel roll dies because of cut pressure, which ain't that really true. Ain't true, but you know, whatever. I like my steel roll dies. They come in handy. But I'm jabbering. my videos already hit the 10-minute mark that YouTube recommends. So I'm good. I just want to show you guys me cutting some things, some projects here and there. It cut out really well. You saw that. Good cut pressure, good dye. If you want to know the dyes I use, I can find one of them. This is Bobiners. This is a lettuce. I keep saying it wrong. I keep going to say Lizette. Yeah, Lizette oval shadow box frame. I always want to say it weird. This one, I don't know what this one is. This was on my desk. I just grabbed it. I don't know what that one is. Couldn't tell you guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I've been doing some projects, making some wreaths, some Christmas wreaths. I'm trying to make a little napkin holder. If you want to see me do that, tell me. But I didn't finish it. It turned out ugly, and I like it. So, and the glue isn't holding. I'll show you how it turned out. I mean, if everything was in place and holding correctly, it would turn out cute. This is the napkin holder I made. It's not on camera. Sorry. Okay, that's the napkin holder I made. I thought it was really cute, but the glue ain't holding the way I want it to. So I might just scrap that and start over. But I love y'all. Have a great day. Get crafty and go out there and save some money and do some damage. Woo. We're getting close to the end of the year. Clearances and sales. So, you know, it's a big old make or break for y'all. Y'all know I'm not. I did my birthday haul. I did this. I'm good, guys. I'm so good. It ain't even funny. Got a lot of stuff I need to go through an inventory, which I haven't done because I haven't been in my craft room at all, really. I've been tired, and I had an injury, a work injury too, so I've been limited movement and mobility, taking pills to ease the pain and stuff, doctor's appointments. So I've been all over places. So yeah, keep me in your prayers and your thoughts. But have a great day, guys. Bye.